I get on Instagram, I get on Facebook, everywhere I see this company, Shefit. I think we got a winner. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mel. Please consider clicking that subscribe button down below and make sure you click on the bell and give this video a big thumbs up so you're notified for every single time I post a video, which will be very frequent here soon as I will be doing YouTube full-time and you guys will be seeing me quite a bit coming up. So today I am really excited, like genuinely excited, because you guys know whenever I'm doing like swimsuits or some sports stuff, I mean, I haven't done sports stuff in a while, I am constantly having problems with things that fit my chest. For those of you that do not know, I am a size triple D, so I wanted to try out a new sports bra. Okay, so originally, this is the sports bra I'm going with, okay? This is the one that I have at home. You guys have seen it in a video before. It's pretty stretchy, but it doesn't really support me, like, at all. It's not adjustable at all. The cups are small on me, but the waistband fits me. So I needed to figure out something else. I get on Instagram, I get on Facebook, everywhere I see this company, Shefit, okay? It's shefit.com for Shefit apparel. I was really interested because I keep seeing these girls like do these heavy, intense workouts and they take their straps and they pull them up and they like pat them down and then they're back, and I'm like, this is like some heavy duty stuff. And if you have the problem I have with your chesticles being a bit large, you need heavy duty stuff. So I put in an order, got my own Shefit sports bra, guys. So I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing with you too, because I think it's been like 2 years since I've actually shown the entire packaging of things when I get them. So I went ahead and ripped off my address on that side. But yeah, I wanted to show you exactly what it is from the get-go and compare it to what I currently have. So when you get it, it comes in this little bag. I'm sure if you get a couple more, it comes in a different bag, but it says, "Welcome to the Sisterhood." And on the other side, it'll have your address and it says Shefit with the little crown. I'm like, okay, rose gold packaging, and let's jump in here and see what we got. Like, obviously, this is the first time I'm opening this, so I have no idea what to expect right now. I feel like I always struggle when opening packages like this. Oh, okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, it's in another baggie. Okay. Oh, something fell out. Let's see what we got. We got a measuring tape. Says, "Love your bra. Share this tape measure with a friend. Wrong size. Use our tape measure for an accurate size exchange at shefit.com/findyourfit." This is super cute. Look at this bag, guys. Oh my gosh. How adorable. I would just buy this bag. Like, do they sell just the bag? I would buy that alone. Like, that's the perfect bag to put like your, like when you get out of the gym and you have your like smelly clothes, because it has like a lot of holes in it, so it's kind of like aerated. Okay, and then it comes with a little pamphlet that says Shefit, the ultimate sports bra, welcome to the sisterhood. And then explains how it works. Now, lucky for me, I have stalked this website and this company, so I know exactly how this works. All right, and then it does have a little receipt for my purchase. All right, so we're gonna open this up. This bag is so cute, guys. Oh my goodness. Now, obviously, I got the color black because you guys know black is my signature color. I don't know if you can see it very well on here, so let me try to hold it up good for the light. There you go, you can see it pretty good. So it has this little fold that goes over the center, the zip with the closure. It looks like it locks down pretty good. And then the adjustable straps. Oh my goodness. This little string says, "We are sexy, strong, and confident." The tag says laundry bag. Holds 2 bras, keeps all strap Keep all straps in place before washing. Lay flat to dry. We do not recommend tumble drying. Do not place near open flame. Use with household washing machines. Cool. So basically, I can throw my bra in here and wash it when I'm done, or I can use this in my gym bag for my other clothes. I like it. Okay, so first I'm going to try on my other bra that I have to show you guys the difference. Okay, let's get the other one on first. Okay, this is kind of embarrassing how bad this fits me. So it fits me good around my waist, but it obviously does not fit me when it comes to like chest. Like I can't work out in this. There's no possible way. And like the support is like, there's like no support at all. Like, I don't know, it's comfortable if I want to wear it around the house, but this is not something that like, I can't go to the gym in this at all. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna wear this in public. So yeah, not adjustable at all. So I'm really excited and I'm really hoping that the Shefit works for me. So let's give the Shefit a go now. Let's see how this works. Okay, and this is the Shefit. Okay guys, first off, I'm not moving. Like, I mean, I'm moving a little bit, but like, this is not bad at all. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Guys, I'm seriously shook right now. Like, what? So let me go over like all the pieces of it now that I have it on, and this is cute. Okay. Now that I have it on, gosh, yeah. Okay. Let me go over it now, because now that I have it on and I'm trying it on for the first time, like, wow. Okay. So, sorry, I'm shook right now. So it says Shefit right there. Ooh, look, it's all sparkly. The back is the waistband is adjustable as well. It does have, I believe, a 15-inch variance of how wide you can pull it. So where is it at? Let me find it real quick. Okay, so here's this. You can loosen it however much you want or tighten it right here. So it fits your back up to 15 inches of adjusting. Now the thing though with Shefit is make sure you size yourself accordingly before you order it. Now, the reason I chose this brand to get a bra from is because they are exclusive to sizes A through I, and with me being a triple D, that's perfect for me. Now, if you are interested in getting a Shefit sports bra like mine, the measurements are super important, guys. Make sure that you measure like where your rib cage is, as well as your bust line. So let me show you, just so like you're completely positive that you are doing this correctly. Again, they send you this cute little measuring tape. And I mean, like, honestly, I have like 3 of my own measuring tapes, but this one says Shefit and it's cute. So we're gonna use theirs. Here we go. Make sure before you order, you do your measurements right around here, which will be like right beneath your bust line. And let's see, mine is about 30 and a half. And then also do your bust. Now your bust is going to be the fullest part of your bust. So right up top here, which mine would be about 39 or 40. Once you have those 2 measurements, your rib cage and your bust, go to the website and make sure that you get a fit that is for you. Do not order your size bra that you would typically get at like Victoria's Secret, anything like that. And if for some reason you can't find the right fit, there is also, I'm trying to think of when I ordered mine, they have your measurement chart where you can do your rib cage and your bust and find out what size you are. If you can't, scroll down and they have what size bra you wear compared to what size that they sell. And if you're still having problems and can't figure it out, there's a phone number right beneath that, so please call them. Now, the thing about this though is, yeah, I got it to fit my waist, but again, my top, you guys saw the spillage that was happening in that last one. This one is really neat because, sorry I keep looking over here because like, this is where like the monitor is, the camera's right here. This one's super neat because it has these straps right here. that you pull them down and it kind of loosens or tightens. So if you need them like super holstered, like you will get the maximum support pulling them as high as you can and strapping them down. Oh my gosh, look, I'm barely moving. Wow. Gosh, I probably look like an idiot right now, but I'm like legitimately excited about this. So let me show you guys the back again. So let me try to put it how my other one probably would have been. So my other one is probably like this, like no support at all. But you grab this and you pull it up. Oh my gosh. Whoops. Do you guys see how much of a difference that is? Wow. And then you have right in the middle here, this flap is covering the zipper. You have a zipper so that you can open it. You can open it if you need to, put it on that way once you have it to your size. Yeah, because when I first put it on doing the adjustment, but now that I have it set to my size, I'll probably just open the zipper to get out of it and then to get back in it. Once you have that set, there is a little flap right here that covers it, which is really good because then you don't have a zipper rubbing against your chest. Wow, guys. I need like 3 more, like a solid 3 more. I want to get one in blue and get one in purple. You guys know I don't do pink, so I'm not going to be doing a pink one. But look how cute! Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, anyway, now I'm blabbing, so I'm really excited about this. I hope you guys like it. This is my review for the Shefit bra. Make sure you guys go to shefit.com or check out the links down below. I will have everything in the description box. I almost just fell over my table. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, guys, bye.